Have you ever wondered how to get paint transfer off your car if somebody's hit you or you've hit something? Well, Rob is going to get some paint off of one of these cars. Thought maybe I'd show you.
We worked our week, we need a day, 24-hour getaway. Let's take it slow, fill up our tank, try to forget yesterday. The weather's hot, the beer's ice cold, tie that tube up to that boat.
Okay, what did you just put on there? The glaze? What does the glaze do?
It's what lubricates so you can actually...
What?
It's what lubricates so you can actually get this stuff off.
It's a lubrication so you can get the stuff off?
It's like so you can't really...
Okay, so what is this?
This is...
What did you just put on there?
This is a cutter.
I know, but what did you just put on there?
It's a 3M glaze.
3M glaze, and you said this is expensive? It's a buffer? This is a paint transfer from a pole that's been painted a few times.
Moment to relax, spend the afternoon kicking back. It's a no worries kind of day, let's feed our soul in our happy place. 'Cause all we got is one day left, let's make it count, make it the best. 'Cause Monday's rolling around the bend and we're a long
It seems relatively straightforward, like I think any of us could do it. So I'm glad that, I'm not glad this happened to the car, but I'm glad that I learned how to do this. So, could anyone do this? Don't be funny. If you got is it a buffer thing?
You gotta be careful you don't burn the paint.
Burn the paint? What do you mean?
You can burn the paint by not doing it correctly.
How do you burn the paint though?
It just, because of the friction, it'll burn the paint. The clear coat or the paint.
Okay.
Sunday, fun day. We got 6 more days until the next Sunday fun day. We got 6 more days until the next Sunday fun day. And let's go and play.
It's a hand glaze.
What's a hand glaze?
When you get your car painted and you wet sand it, this brings the shine out. This is what you use to get the shine after you've color sanded it.
Okay, I don't know what any of that, I don't even know what you just said. I don't even know what he's talking about. Color sanded?
You get some wet dry sandpaper, you sand it down and it's all scarred up. Then you use this and it smooths it right out and brings it up to a brand new shine.
I kind of think I need to understand how to paint a car, and I'll get it, because I didn't quite get that. for his motorcycles. I'm trying to think, does he do that for me? Because he'll spend an entire day in the garage on the bike with all manner of stuff. Just tons and tons and tons of stuff. And many cigarettes. So if I got scuffed up and I got problems, what would you do for me?
I'd just take you to the ER. Or urgent care.
Urgent care? He'd probably take me to a minute clinic.
That's a crack.
That's a crack? Okay, so that's a crack. That's from whatever got hit. Okay. Now we're going to problem number 3. Look at his face. This is different.
This is paint's taken right off there.
So there's nothing, what do you have to do for that? Just touch-up paint?
I don't think there's anything you can do for that.
Can't you put touch-up paint over it? What's this little bag of goodies? What's in there? The paint's dried on the touch. Okay, you're gonna sand this after. How long does this take to dry? I don't. I'm ready to go on the bike and like come out here. And now he's cleaning his bike. Can we just... Hey.
What?
Can we go get something to eat? Thank you for fixing that. Oh my god, you still have the little National Park thing. Can we go eat yet? What's going on? Don't start another project right now. No. Look at me. Hungry. What are you doing? Okay, come on. You know, it's gonna rain this week. I don't know. Where do you want to eat for lunch?
Okay.
It's not the best day to go riding today. One, because it's been drizzling and raining on and off in California again. Secondly, because he just cleaned his bike. He doesn't want to hear me complain about how I need a helmet, which I do. Right? Well,
Okay.
so what rides do we have planned this year?
I don't know.
Any ideas? What are good rides to take in Southern California? Or anywhere?
Well,
Any good places that we're going to ride this year? Any ideas?
we got a couple we can do.
Like,
We have do
Colorado?